Hi Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 19th to August the 21st reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the zing notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Sorry, na-distract tayo doon kasi naurong ko siya baka bumagsak. Anyway, let's start. Capricorn. So, ang nakikita natin dito parang nakikita mo na rin itong parating na issues, problema, pero you're trying to compose yourself, no? Alam mong the chaos is already approaching. But you're standing still, parang gusto mo ring sabihin sa energy ng chaos na yan na challenge ka lang, no? Si Capricorn ito. And knowing Capricorn, you've gone through a lot. Probably you've been through hell and back, no? So ano pa ba? No, eto ba ang makakapagpatitulog kay Capricorn? I believe no. So Capis, ang nakikita ko dito, parang alam mo na rin somehow, bago pa siya dumating, alam mo na rin kung ano yung gagawin. Actually, you probably jot down a lot of ideas. You know, meron kang plan A hanggang plan Z. O ayan, para tayong vitamins, no? From A to Z. So, with the Four of Swords and the Five of Wands, I think that you are, sabihin natin, you're recharging your energy. It kind of make me feel that you are preparing for a battle. And I believe that this will be the biggest battle because you are actually preparing enough for you to win. With the Lovers, the World card. So for a few numbers of you, it felt like, in the past weeks or months, bigla na lang may dumating na it could also be, sabihin natin, you might be in a competition with someone, no? I can see here that bigla-bigla na lang na nalaman mo na or dumating yung balita na, uy, meron kang dapat malaman na si person is or may pumuporma kay person, no? May lumalandi kay person. So with the Seven of Wands, I think that at first you have been lenient. Of course, you don't want to bigla na lang magnag, no? And awayin si person. You probably observed first. You are very strategic with a lot of things in here. Plus the fact that you already have an idea. So, ayaw mo na lang din, baka kasi ikaw pa magmukha masama kapag probably you created a scene or what have you. Pero kasi, ang nakikita ko dito, more of, parang gusto mong paghandaan, no? If you have a Gemini placement in your chart, which is the Lovers, no wonder, no? No wonder. Kasi Gemini is, plus the Capricorn, oh my God, parang, parang humanap sila ng isang kalaban, tas bumunot sila ng kalaban sa impyerno, no? So, the High Priestess, oh my God, the High Priestess, the Page of Swords, natatawa ko, not because of your situation, natatawa ko sa gustong kumalaban sa'yo dahil parang hindi nila alam ang kanilang ginagawa with the Seven of Swords. Oh my God. So, bago bago ka pa gumawa ng eksena, no, na playback, no, or na playback, na play mo na siya sa isip mo. Um, even yung kunyari, eto ang gagawin nitong taong to kapag hinuli ko sila, eto ang magiging reaction. So, nandito yung isang situation na yon. Paano kung hindi? So, gagawa na naman ng isang um, scenario. Kumbaga, susuotin mo yung mga possible, no, na kahit iskinita na pwedeng um, maging resulta. So, pag nandun ka na sa situation, hindi ka na magugulat. Somewhat, parang role play ba, na practice mo na, no? Um, with the Page of Swords in here, tama lang din naman na ipaglaban natin itong relationship natin. Uh, but with the Hermit, you're not actually making a move ng ura-urada. No, never. The Seven of Swords is clarified by the Devil card, and this is a confirmation. I'm about to say that Devil should be, the Devil card should show up, or should show up rather. This is from this is your card with the Lovers also, no? Which is the Gemini. That's why I keep on telling you a while ago. If you might have a Gemini placement in your chart, then tapos ang laban. Four of Wands, I'm seeing that you're going to regain, this relationship and becoming much stronger. With the Seven of Swords, this is actually a confirmation that something really fishy is going on. Now, I want to know why the World card suddenly happened. With the Magician and the Chariot. This might sound a very personal reading, but it happened when probably you went out of town, out of the country. So parang meron talagang mga taong ganun, no? Kapag wala ang pusa, ayan, maglalaro ang taga. Ayan. So, it kind of make me feel that it happens through also vices, no? Nakainuman, ganyan, or kung ano pang malalang pwede nilang gawin. So, it to a point na pwede natin sabihin dito din na it may lead to yung one night stand, no? But you are here to take what's supposed to be yours. So, let's check here. Nararamdaman ko yung panggigigil. Hanggang dito, dama ko yung yinig ng laman. Not because I resonate. Wala naman, no? Na wala pa naman. You have to be patient. I'm busy, but I don't have time right now. So, I believe that this is one of those lines na pwedeng nasabi sa'yo ni person. Especially this one nung nakita nga natin na you went out, no? But the person is playing. Pero ito yung sa'yo, you have to be patient. Antay ka lang, no? Makikita mo or mararamdaman nyo ang ganti ng alipin. Ayan. So, Madam Claudia tayo ngayon, no? Capricorn, ayan. Well, hindi rin naman to bago dahil madalas tayo na pagkakamalang kontrabida. So, why not living the life of being a kontrabida? Why not, right? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Sagittarius, I am seeing Capricorn, Virgo, Gemini, like what I mentioned, Cancer. Did I just said Leo? Right? Yan. O, kita mo, halos walang cups na lumabas sa'yo. Right? Dahil sa gigil yan. So, this is your reading, Capricorn. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the same notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan. And kung hindi niyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? So, Capricorn, kilalang kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo. Alam niyo sa sarili niyo na if in case hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Bubungad sa inyo agad yung question form. Sa baba no, nandun po yung mode of payment, QR codes, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So, Capricorn, tuloy pa rin yung manhunt. Nandun po sa description box din ang mga fake accounts na pwede nyong i-report. Take a screenshot of it, send it to the designated email para makabunod po tayo ng winner for a free reading. No? So, kung hinahanap niyo po itong X-Files, readings about exes, and if you still care about your ex, diretso po tayo sa ating Facebook, which is also Babaylan TV. Ayan. So, Capricorn, again, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.